In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add plugin to Squarespace, free and easy. First, open your Squarespace site and navigate to the page or section where you want the plugin to appear. Make sure you're in edit mode on that page so you can make changes. Once you're there, hover where you want the plugin to live and click Add Block. From the block options, choose Code. This is the most flexible way to add third-party plugins or embed snippets on Squarespace, and it works on all plans that support code blocks. When the code editor opens, click inside the editor to activate it. You'll see options to switch between different code types. Take a moment to click through the available tabs so you understand where each piece belongs. Start with HTML. This is where most embed codes and plugin wrappers go. Then click CSS. Use this to style the plugin if the provider includes custom styles. You may see CSS listed again depending on your interface state. That's fine. Just make sure you recognize the styling area. Next, click JavaScript. Many plugins include a script. This is where it lives. If prompted again, confirm you're in the JavaScript area. Then click Markdown, and again to see the plain text formatting option. Finally, click Plain Text to view a raw text input without formatting. You might see a default placeholder like Hello World. Click that placeholder to select it and highlight the text so it's ready to be replaced. If any helper panels are open, close them so you have a clean view of the editor. Click the placeholder again to focus the cursor. Now paste or type the plugin code provided by the plugin developer in the appropriate tab. HTML for the embed, CSS for styles, and JavaScript for any scripts. Only use the sections your plugin requires. Leave the others empty. If your plugin includes an image or needs an asset, choose the image option to add it to the block so the plugin can reference it correctly. Keep file names simple and avoid spaces to reduce the chance of broken links. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your plugin will render on the page. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment, then refresh the page preview. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Only paste code from sources you trust, keep the code as minimal as possible to avoid conflicts, and check the layout on mobile to ensure it's responsive. If something looks off, remove the code you just added, repaste it carefully, and try again. That's it. Your plugin is now added to Squarespace, the free and easy way.